Everybody, in this video I will show you how to delete your account on MeetMe dating app. Open MeetMe dating app first like this, and after the opening you should go now and you have to click here. So next click on your profile. So in your profile, open next settings. Click right now on privacy or my account. Here you see now this list, scroll it down, click delete account and click skip, and click right now delete account and click please confirm account deletion using the link we have sent you via your email. Click OK, and right now you have to go to your email. So here we click on MeetMe email, and we click right now on our email delete account, and right now it's going to take us to this browse. We just have to wait little, and yeah, click continue to MeetMe, and then your account it's deleted right now. If you find this video helpful, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye.